Hey there and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be using our Champion wood chipper to make wood chips. Perfect for gardens, or pathways, walkways, whatever. I'll be chipping a bunch of branches that fell a couple weeks ago during the ice. I don't know if I can call it an ice storm, but thanks for joining me today and I hope this video helps you. This is the Champion wood chipper that I'll be using today. It is 224cc, 3-inch, and mostly this is the part that I'm going to be using because this is what gets these nice fine chips. Rather, if you use the top end, you get pretty big chunks, and I don't really want chunks. I just want some small chips. Okay, so to start it is very simple. The instructions right on it are pretty straightforward. The oil that we have is fine. Now we're going to open up the gas. That is down here, this black piece. Okay, gas open. All right, now we're going to turn it on. Okay, have choke. Then we're going to pull the cord and then move choke back into place. Alright, so now the bag, I feel it, it's right up here. So I'm going to empty it.
That's a lot.
I know.
Whee. Are they like fine chips?
Yeah. If you use this part.
Whoa.
Yeah, isn't that nice?
Why are they green?
Because it leaves this part here. This part here.
Yes.
You'll get fine chips like this.
Ooh.
If you just toss them in the top, you'll get big chunks.
Oh, but you don't want big chunks for like your garden.
Exactly. That is beautiful for gardens and walkways.
That is.
Yeah.
Like this.
Now the leaves will die, the green will go away because, yep.
Whoa.
There you go.
Wow.
I like it. And I'll just put the bag there, zip it back up, and start over.
Woo. Until it gets full again?
Yep. Yep, so there you go. Perfect.
Whoa. Like, yeah, there's some big ones.